So, you've got friends who are totally into saving money and investing, right? You've probably heard about Acorn, that app that magically turns your spare change into investments. And you're thinking about using their referral program to earn a little extra cash. But here's the burning question: how long does it actually take to get that referral money? Let's dive in. First off, Acorn's referral program is pretty straightforward. You share your unique link with friends, they sign up, they invest a certain amount, and boom, you both get a bonus. Sounds simple, right? But when it comes to the timeline, things can get a bit hazy. According to Acorn's official terms, the referral bonus is typically paid out within 30 days of your friend meeting the qualification criteria. That sounds pretty good, right? But let's be real, things rarely go exactly according to plan. I've done some digging and found that the actual wait time can vary quite a bit. Some people report getting their referral bonus in just a few days, while others have had to wait weeks, even months. It's frustrating, I know. So, what can you do to speed things up? Well, there are a few things. First, make sure your friend has actually met all the requirements. They need to sign up using your link, and they need to invest a specific amount within a certain time frame. If they haven't done this, you're going to have to wait. Second, keep an eye on your Acorn account. The referral bonus should show up there once it's been processed. If it's been more than 30 days and you still haven't seen anything, it's time to contact Acorn's customer support. Now, let's talk about some common issues that can delay your referral bonus. One of the biggest problems is if your friend cancels their account before the qualification period is over. In this case, you won't get the referral bonus. Another issue can be technical glitches on Acorn's end. These things happen, and unfortunately, they can cause delays. So, how can you protect yourself from these issues? Well, the best thing you can do is to communicate clearly with your friends about the referral program. Make sure they understand the requirements and the timeline. You can also encourage them to keep their account open for at least the qualification period. And remember, while it can be frustrating to wait for your referral bonus, it's important to keep things in perspective. Acorn is a great way to start investing, and even without the referral bonus, you and your friends are still benefiting from the app. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.